How to get Microsoft Rewards point fast on phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna look for an easy method on how you can use your phone in order to get more Microsoft points. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning with the video, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So first thing first, open up a browser. You may just open your Chrome browser. I'm gonna open this browser right now and search for reach2.com. Just type in that and you will be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. Just tap on install now and wait for it. After that, scroll down, or you may just search for Microsoft Rewards Plus Plus. Just type Microsoft Rewards Plus Plus. You can see this. Just tap on install and wait for it to be downloaded. After that, after the installation is complete, what you can do is just get back or open up a new tab on the same browser. Just search for Microsoft Rewards.ping and open it. Open the browser onto your device. After the installation is done, what you need to do is just tap on sign in and use a Google account here that you need. And just like that, you will receive rewards frequently just using and downloading that application onto your device. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.